Attention to the last 48 hours. Message to the Lightworkers in Ascension and Starseeds. I bring a message from the hierarchies of light for the Lightworkers in Ascension and Starseeds. In the last 48 hours, there has been a flow of high-intensity energy occurring in the last 12 hours. The intensity reached new levels, and this intense energy impacts how we feel both individually and collectively. This energy will take 3 to 5 days to integrate. The good news is that you will feel more comfortable after this integration. This change also intensified the symptoms of Ascension, which are pressure on the frontal chakra, difficulty sleeping, headaches and ringing in the ears, fever, auditory sensitivity, ear blockage, tingling in the scalp, body aches, nausea, stomach pain, and exhaustion. The world around us acts as a mirror to show us what we need to work on for our own spiritual growth and healing. You are working and spiritually ascending. You are working with the divine and healing past wounds and betrayals. Ascendants are entering higher timelines, rediscovering their inner strength. Ascension guides are always near. Very soon, they will enter a greater and more complete clarity that will act as a catalyst for true purpose. Here, many are entering into abundance, a new generational wealth in the new earth that is conquered by the soul. Many rewards of the soul await you, and this higher timeline is bringing greater stability in all areas of life and in all kinds of connections. The Spirit is blessing this ascending land, and the ascendants are breaking and healing generational curses, healing karma from the ancestral line and past wounds based on traumatic experiences. This new energy on our ascending planet is bringing many blessings with generational wealth. Ascending means that there will always be an awakening for more truth, eradicating all false beliefs about oneself and the world in general. The lifting of the veil of illusions is continuous, questioning all limitations. The soul knows that a divine plan is in action despite the external chaos. The Lightworkers, as spiritual stars, whose light illuminates the darkness here on the ascending earth. They are here on earth to bring greater awareness, light, love, and peace to a world consumed by darkness. The collective purpose has been successful so far. Our beautiful planet has made a historic turn, and the ascending individuals are preparing for a 5D consciousness civilization. The reality on the new earth, spirituality, respect, freedom, mindfulness, authenticity, seeing everyone as one, based on love, service to others, creativity, and organic reality. As unity consciousness, the connection of unconditional love with the energy of the source of the universe and our love for Gaia. Many are now consciously choosing their ascension at this transformative moment. We are the hierarchy of light. I wish you a great day and send you a hug full of love and light. I am Maria Lustig, guardian of the flame of light, in service to humanity and enlightenment of the new earth. Voice by We Are Positive worldwide. Always remember that you are the most important person in this world. We love you very much. We are with you at every step. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of eternal light and love. We are your beacon of light on the path. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.